Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to show you about my rolling TV stand that I just purchased. This thing is pretty cool. So it comes with a tray where you can actually put your computer or your laptop, so you're able to efficiently work on your computer and your laptop and use the monitor at the same time as well. With this stand, it actually comes with locking wheels. So this allows it to be trapped in place. This allows it to be trapped in place so you're able to stop it from rolling back and forth. Now with this actual stand, you're able to use 32 to 85 inch televisions on it. And it's really sturdy because you're able to support up to 132 pounds. And as far as like adjusting it, so on here on the back, let me show you that one more time. On here on the back, you can actually unscrew here, and you're able to either lower the TV down to the lowest setting or to the highest one like I have.